Throughout these tutorials, you're going to be introduced to a number of people working in different parts of the world, and you're going to hear some of their stories that are in a range of church planting contexts from around the globe.
This is the result of having a really solid understanding of God's Word laid out foundationally. They're left with a clear picture of who Christ is.
This understanding of God's Word and how to understand God's Word, and taking time to disciple and to mentor young believers.
And yet I look back and I think that was one of the real positives of our work.
Today they're serving one another, and they're reaching out to people who haven't yet heard, and now actually in other places as well.